Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Say hi, Jocelyn.
In the video.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
This is Saley from Saley Tells It All. And Jocelyn and I are going to do a project today. We're going to build a very, very high tower with her blocks. And then she's going to throw different balls at it to see which one knocks it over the best.
Yeah.
So let's start by building the tower. Okay, kiddo? Come on, let's build your tower.
Let me do it.
Yep, we're going to do it. We got to start with the bottom of the tower. So we're going to start with the bottom of the tower. There we go. So let's start building up on this one. We're going to build a high tower, okay? Very high tower.
Hey.
Hey, build.
I'm going to put this one here.
That one there, okay.
I'm going to put this
So we're just going to build.
one here.
We're going to build it as high as we can build it. But we want to build it really high, right? So that you can knock it over. All right.
Yes. Yes.
We need a two piece. That's right. Okay. We're going to try to build it pretty solid here, so she's not going to be able to knock it over real easy. Keep building. Get more blocks. Jocelyn, get more blocks out of the bin. We're going to build it. Build the tower high. So we're just building it. You're going to see it soon. We're starting to see it.
Hey.
Yeah, we got to build it so we can.
There's another one.
So Jocelyn, what do you like about building blocks? Do you find it fun?
No. Oh no.
She likes everything done a specific way. But to make it a sturdy tower, make it hard for you, you have to.
You ruined my tower.
I'm not ruining your tower. She's funny, isn't she? Okay, keep going. We got to go really high so that you can show everybody how you can keep going higher and higher and higher.
Oh no.
Because you got to knock it over. Let's put that on the top. We'll put that on the very top, sweetheart. Jocelyn, we got to keep building. We can't put them up there yet. Keep building. Uh-oh. We got to go higher and higher and higher.
That's for my puppy. That's for my...
Yeah, we'll do. Got to put him on there. Come on, Joss. Can we go high? How high can we go? Put it down.
Yeah!
All right. We got to go really high on this tower, to make it as fun as possible. I think I have as much fun building as she does. Go higher and higher. Let's get all these blocks out. Jocelyn, what are you doing? Start building. Jocelyn. You're on camera. Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Can you tell them what we're doing today? What are we doing? What are we doing today?
Building.
What are we building for? What are we going to do when we build it? We're going to knock it down?
Yes.
Are you going to knock it down?
Yes.
And how are you going to knock it down? With what? It's not. We got to build it up higher.
Ouch.
We'll build it up for him. We'll put them on. Hold on. Where's his pieces at? Oh, here's the piece for him. Here, you got to put him on this right here. He goes right here.
Where did he go?
Hold on. Let's figure this out. Let's go up a little higher than this. Hold on. Hold on, we gotta put this up now. Make it a little higher. Here we go.
He was satisfied.
Woo! That was pretty cool. All right. Do you think the tower's high enough, or should we go higher?
We go higher.
That one won't fit on there like that, honey. Nope, that doesn't fit. Uh-oh, you knocked him off.
I did it.
You did it. All right. So, here. No, put him up there. Yay. All right. Put the rest of the blocks away, and you're gonna throw the balls at it now. Put these. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Put these blocks away. Put these blocks back in the bin. Okay. So here we go. Jocelyn is gonna throw some balls.
Oh no.
Here, put it right here. All right. She's gonna throw some balls. Start with the small ball. Nope, the smallest ball. Yep. Throw it at the tower and see. Aha!
Let's build again, Mommy.
Yep. Now we gotta build again to see if. Wow! But it didn't break it all up. See? Okay, let's build it again. Let's build it again. Gotta go high. Let's build it high. That went down pretty quick. Guess what, Jocelyn? Guess what? What is this? What is this?
Tickle
That what is it?
Tickle me.
What's it gonna do?
Tickle me.
What's it gonna do? Come here. Come here. The tickle monster wants to talk to you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Jocelyn. The tickle monster wants to see you. The tickle monster's here. Come here, Jocelyn. Jocelyn. Jocelyn, come on. Come on. Come here. I gotta tell you a secret. I have a secret to tell you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Guess what? Guess what? The tickle monster just got you. The tickle monster. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, it's gonna get you. Knock the blocks over. All right, can you get me?
Yes.
You can't get me. You can't get me.
I can.
No, you can't. You can't get me. Oh no, you can't throw them. No! Oh, I got you. Ah! Can you catch this? You think you can catch it? You think so? Uh-oh, you didn't catch it. Let's do the small. Yeah, do Mickey Minnie. Ready? You can catch this. Come on, you can catch it. Good job. You trying to hurt me. Well, come here and say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye.
Say thanks for watching us.
No. Again.
Again. Come here. I got a secret to tell you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here, throw the ball. Throw the ball. Yay!
Again, Mommy. Again.
Say goodbye, everybody. Say thanks for watching. Look.
Again, Mommy.
Say thanks for watching.
Again.